It's Crypto Vlog, guys. In today's video, Bittensor. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Right now, the most powerful AI systems in the world are controlled by a handful of companies. Think about it. Every major breakthrough in artificial intelligence is happening behind closed doors, owned, monetized, and controlled. But what if AI wasn't owned by corporations? What if it was owned by a global network of people? That's the idea behind Bittensor, a project that's trying to turn intelligence into a tradable, decentralized commodity. And today we are going deep, not surface level, but real understanding, so even if you're new, you'll actually get it. Let's strip away the complexity. Bittensor is essentially a decentralized marketplace for AI. Instead of one company building one AI model, you have thousands of participants contributing models, competing with each other, improving each other. And here is the key. They get paid for how useful their intelligence is. So instead of mining Bitcoin, you're mining intelligence. And that's completely new category. And if you're wondering how the system actually works, let's break this down like you're explaining it to a friend. There are two main roles. Miners. These people are running AI models. Their job is simple. Produce useful outputs, answers, predictions, data. The better your AI performs, the more rewards you earn. And validators. They test those models. They decide which AI is actually useful. Then they rank them, and those rankings directly determine rewards. The big idea? This creates a system where bad AI earns nothing, good AI earns more, best AI dominates. And over time, the network becomes smarter automatically. It's basically a live global competition for intelligence. Now let's talk about something a lot of people skip, but it's critical if you're thinking long term. Bittensor has a very specific token design. Maximum supply is capped at 21 million TAO. Around 10.7 million is currently in circulation. The rest is emitted over time through network participation. And here is what makes it different. There was no traditional ICO or VC heavy allocation, which means tokens are earned, not just distributed. Incentives are aligned with contribution. Now add one more layer. Emissions are gradually reduced over time, which creates increasing scarcity, lower long-term sell pressure. So what you get is a combination of utility and scarcity. And that's a rare mix in crypto. Now let's bring everything together, because this is where most people either get clarity or get completely lost. First, looking at the broader market data. Price is sitting around $350. Market cap is just under 4 billion. Volume is about 1.2 billion. That already tells us one thing. This is a high attention, high liquidity asset right now. Now let's connect that with what we are seeing on the chart. On the daily time frame, the structure becomes very clear. For a long period, TAO was in downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, consistent selling pressure. Then something changed. If you look at the recent price action, you can clearly see a strong reversal move from the bottom. Price pushed aggressively from around $160 to $180 zone, up to 370 plus. That's a serious move. That's not noise, that's a trend shift attempt. Now here is where things get interesting. Price is approaching a key level, 380 to 420 zone. This area previously acted as resistance, rejection zone, distribution area. So naturally, this is where the market decides what happens next. Now combine that with what we saw earlier, strong volume, rising interest, bullish sentiment. That's alignment between price action and market behavior. And this is the key insight. This is not just a pump. This is a move from support into resistance, a decision point. I'll give you a bullish scenario. If price breaks above this zone, expect continuation toward higher levels, because structure shifts bullish. And in a bearish scenario, if price gets rejected, expect a pullback, likely toward $300 zone or lower support retests. So instead of guessing, watch the reaction at this level, because that reaction tells you everything. Now let's answer the real question. Why is all of this happening right now? First, AI narrative. AI is one of the biggest global trends right now. Second, real utility. This network actually produces intelligence, not just hype. Third thing is strong positioning. Already big enough to matter, but still early compared to global AI markets. And last but not least, token design. Limited supply, real use case. That's what attracts capital. To sum it up, Bittensor is not just another project. It's building something fundamentally different. An economy of intelligence, a decentralized AI network, a system where contributors are rewarded. This is shaping up to become a core layer of future AI infrastructure. The real question is, do you believe in decentralized AI? Because that's exactly what you're supporting here. If you want to explore more about the project, go to their official website, visit the CoinMarketCap, do your own research, understand what you're investing in. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, and put notification on. Join this amazing project called Bittensor and check all of this information just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.